Making money with social media marketing, strategies for success. Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Social media platforms have transformed the way we connect, share, and consume content. Beyond personal use, social media also offers lucrative opportunities to make money through social media marketing. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or content creator, leveraging social media platforms can help you generate income and grow your online presence. In this guide, we will explore effective strategies for making money with social media marketing. 1. Build a strong personal brand. Establish a strong personal brand across your social media platforms. Clearly define your niche, values, and unique selling proposition. Consistently produce high-quality content that aligns with your brand and resonates with your target audience. 2. Grow your social media following. Focus on growing your social media following organically. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and foster meaningful conversations. Utilize hashtags, collaborate with other influencers, and create shareable content to expand your reach. 3. Collaborate with brands. Identify brands that align with your niche and target audience. Reach out to them or respond to brand collaboration opportunities. Develop partnerships where you can create sponsored content, reviews, or promote their products or services to your followers. 4. Create engaging content. Produce engaging content that captivates your audience's attention. Experiment with different formats such as photos, videos, stories, or live streams. Use captivating captions, compelling visuals, and storytelling techniques to make your content stand out. 5. Offer social media management services. If you have a knack for managing social media accounts, offer social media management services to businesses or individuals. Help them build and maintain their online presence, create engaging content, and manage their social media advertising campaigns. 6. Monetize your audience through affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs and promote products or services through your social media channels. Share your unique affiliate links and earn a commission for each sale or referral generated through your recommendations. Choose products or services that align with your audience's interests. 7. Offer sponsored posts and brand partnerships. As your following grows, brands may approach you for sponsored posts or brand partnerships. Negotiate fair compensation for featuring their products or services on your social media platforms. Ensure that the collaboration aligns with your brand and provides value to your audience. 8. Launch and sell your own products or services. Utilize your social media platforms to launch and promote your own products or services. Whether it's an ebook, online course, physical merchandise, or consulting services, leverage your audience and build anticipation for your offerings. 9. Provide social media consulting and training. Leverage your expertise in social media marketing to offer consulting or training services to businesses or individuals. Help them optimize their social media strategies, improve their engagement, and achieve their marketing goals. 10. Stay updated with trends and analytics. Stay informed about the latest social media trends, algorithm updates, and best practices. Regularly analyze your social media analytics to understand what content resonates most with your audience. Adapt your strategies based on the insights you gather. Social media marketing offers a plethora of opportunities to generate income and build a successful online presence. By consistently delivering valuable content, collaborating with brands, and leveraging your expertise, you can monetize your social media presence and achieve financial success. Remember to maintain authenticity, engage with your audience, and adapt to the evolving landscape of social media. Embrace the power of social media marketing and unlock the potential to make money while doing what you love. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel, hit the like button and press bell icon.